Everyone, ever placed a bet and then change your mind? The edit bet feature on 1xBet lets you fix that. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Here's how it works. Go to My Bets, located in the History section. Select the bet you want to change. In my case, I have no bet, so I cannot actually modify it. But in your case, you need to select it and then change. Add or remove events or adjust your stake. Confirm the edit and your slip updates instantly. It's a safety net if odds shift or you want to reduce risk after betting. If you enjoyed this video, put like, subscribe, and see you soon.